Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today we are going to do a review of some gel polishes from Born Pretty. I have here 4 from the Cat Eye collection and then what I'm calling a plus one. This is from a different collection, just a cream color. Let me go ahead and show this one to you. And this bottle, this color is just absolutely beautiful now for the fall. I'm going to describe it as that perfect pumpkin orange. It's kind of like what I'm going to call it, a dirty orange. Let me show you the SKU number on that. If I can get it to focus. There it is. And this one is from the black bottle. So this one is the 10 ml bottle. There it is. And then the other 4 are from, these are slightly smaller, so these are 7 ml bottles. Okay, so these are Cat Eyes. Let me go ahead and show you the first one here, get it to focus. And this one, let's see which one this is. Oh, it's a beautiful purple Cat Eye. I did use this one on a client, and I am going to have pictures at the end of the video so you guys can see how I used them. This one, let me go ahead and put this on the screen as well so you guys can see the name. And this one, oh, I love this one. It's one of my favorites. It's kind of like a magenta metallic with, yes, of course, it's that Cat Eye. And then the other 2 are glitter polishes. So this one, let me go ahead and show you the label. Hopefully you can read that there in its focus. But there is that beautiful purple. So these it's a holographic purple, they do work better applying them over a solid black base, okay? Let me show you the label for this one. This one is a beautiful blue. There it is. Gorgeous, gorgeous blue glitter. So I'm going to go ahead, you're going to see me do these swatches on some my color wheel, and then we'll take a closer look at them. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here's a closer look at these gorgeous gel polishes. So here's the orange, the cream orange, the standalone, the one on in the black bottle. As you can see, beautiful coverage. This is 2 coats, and they're already finished, all of them, with a glossy gel top coat. So yes, this is a beautiful rusty orange is the perfect name for it. Beautiful color for this time of year in the fall season. And here, okay, so take a look at that. I kind of did that kind of looks like a galaxy or moon effect. You can see how both of these, they have like a dual color there in the Cat Eye. They almost seem opposite or like backwards of each other. I love these 2, and this gorgeous purple as well. And so between these 2, the glitter Cat Eyes, this one, it's more obvious, and this one of these 2 colors that I happen to have for review, this blue one is the least obvious of the 2. And I am going, my theory behind that, guys, is that, okay, so we do have some magnetic particles here, which is what creates the cat effect, right, with the magnet. Well, my theory is that because we have some glitters here, that they're not magnetic at all, it makes it a little difficult, you know, well, it makes it difficult to seem as obvious as like these other metallic Cat Eye gels, if you know what I mean. Okay, so there you can barely see a little bit, depending on how the light reflects it. You can see the Cat Eye effect from the magnet on that blue one. Nonetheless, it still makes a beautiful, gorgeous topper, and you can put it over blue or black. I actually did some swatching, and so here, this is the blue over blue, this is the blue by itself, this is the purple over purple with the cat eye, this is the blue over black, and the purple over black, which I replicated here. Okay, so there you guys have it. This is my review for today. I will have all the links down in the description bar below and any discount codes that are available. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Born Pretty for sending me these gorgeous products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.